I'm Chad.
I'm Dad. No, wait a minute, I'm supposed to be Dad first.
Oh yeah, you're Dad.
I'm Dad.
I'm Chad, and this is our channel.
This was after many, many years, and that came really a surprise.
Now, what is this, Jim?
That's a football Hall of Fame.
Oh, wow. University of Central Oklahoma. And this is a football team right here.
That's high school.
High school.
So that was one of the Tomcat squadrons on the Nimitz.
Were you a pilot in the Air Force or the Marines? What kind of planes did you fly?
A6.
Okay.
Well, that was when I was on the Nimitz aircraft carrier. I was flying the EA6. Of course, that was the Tomcat squadron.
Yeah. Wow. Well, I'm going to take some shots of the airplane.
Okay.
This is a 48 Stinson. This right here is the T-28. And then this, you said was...
This is when I was going as a student, going to the training command. And that's when that was a little Bell helicopter. And that's when I had soloed as a student in the little, I forget what you call it.
Oh, you're a young guy there. What were you saying? What were you saying?
There's his squad on the Nimitz right here.
Oh, okay.
Oh, is that your team on the Nimitz,
Yeah,
Jim?
that's the airplane that I flew.
23 or 4. Here we go.
Which one did you, is one of you, where are you at, Jim, in this?
And this, right here.
This is you here?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, you look sharp there.
Thank you.
Is this you right here as well?
And that was when I was a student.
Okay. What type of airplane is
I
that?
flew the OV-10 on my second tour in Vietnam. That's what I flew.
Okay.
And that was a observation light attack.
So you could shoot with this guy? Okay. Was it just guns or cannons?
It had
Or...
guns and it had rockets.
Oh, wow. Guns and rockets. Now, back then, were those rockets guided or were they just...
Well, it was Kentucky windage.
Kentucky windage, so you had to lead them a little bit.
Well, whatever.
Yeah.
You had to figure out where you are and what the rocket is going to do once you pickle it.
So what you're saying is when you landed on the aircraft carrier,
You get graded each time.
you get graded, and the green is...
The green is a okay,
Okay, yellow.
is a fair.
What about the white?
That is a no grade.
Uh-oh. And what about the blue?
The blue is a night trap.
Oh, so you did okay at night. That's what that's saying? Wow.
That's an okay. Can you see the number there?
On this one,
Uh-huh.
1027 2I.
Well, I can't see it. But it has the wire that you trapped on. the
Oh,
number.
okay. That number 1, 2, or 3, those are the different
Yeah,
wires.
right, yeah.
Okay.
This is a fair with a one trap on the one. I trapped on a 1 wire.
Wow.
The tire wire is the OK is a 3 wire.
So were these airplanes catapulted off, or?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And they asked one of the, well, there was some, I forget what sort of, it was on, I guess it's, I see this. They were interviewing one of the astronauts, and he had been a Navy pilot. And they were asking about what it's really on the launch of it. He said, it's nothing like a carrier shot. He said, it's just a gradual acceleration. When they shoot you,
You're gone.
You know you're
Yeah.
gone. And get
Yeah.
ready to fly.
Yeah.
Because you're going to fly.
Yeah. Well, that's
But let me, when you get shot, you go from standing still to off the ship in 1.4 seconds.
wow. And how far is that? Maybe 200 and something feet,
Oh, well, 200 feet high.
something like that. Wow.
As soon as you break deck, you rotate.
Yeah. So yeah, and boy, I mean, I bet the G-force when
It
they,
pulls you
yeah,
back, absolutely.
yeah, like a dragster
And,
maybe.
and,
Yeah.
and the night trap, when you trap at night, you're really concentrated. And the feeling you get, as soon as you hit the deck, you add full power in case you get a hook skip or in case you miss a wire.
So you can take back off.
So you can get
Yeah,
off.
yeah, yeah.
And the greatest thrill or feeling in life, there are 3. Number 1 is a good sexual release. 2 is a good, I got to put it in layman's term, a good shoot. And 3 is a good landing. When you trap at night and you add full power, the feelings you get all through those feelings at
At
the
one
same
time.
time.
Wow. Wow. That's pretty neat.
But anyway, and you get graded on each in time. See, there were 7 squadrons on the ship. And they go through a period of time and you get graded as your squadron and how you compare to the other squadron.
Yeah.
It's
Competition
you know,
there. Yeah.
It's good to have competition. It makes everybody
Better.
absolutely,
Yeah.
yeah.
So let me ask you, I'm not familiar with the plane that you flew. Was that a reconnaissance? Was it a fighter? Was it a
was a
bomber?
reconnaissance. It was
Okay.
an electronic airplane. Jamming.
Oh, okay. Radar and all that?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you ever get close to getting shot down or?
Oh, no. You can recall this is when President, oh, for Christ's sake, the actor,
Ronald Reagan.
He gave the order to shoot the 2 fitters down that were out of Libya a number of years ago. I don't know whether you.
Yeah, I was young. I was real young. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I had gone to a briefing prior, and it was a top secret briefing. It was the admiral that was giving the briefing. He swore, and the reason that I went because I was a squadron commander, and it was taking the people that really had a knowledge, or needed the knowledge, need to know what we were going to do there.
Yeah. Yeah.
And anyway, I was airborne, and I heard the command, and it came from the President of the United States.
Wow.
It's a go. Shoot
Wow.
them down.
Wow. And who were they shooting down?
2 fitters from Libya.
Oh, okay. So the Libyan fighters?
Yeah.
Okay. Gotcha.
They were declared a hostile tribe.
Okay.
And they had made a comment that they were going to.
To shoot
And
us.
this wasn't in the news or anything.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
it was political.
Yeah.
And
Wow. Man, I sure would like to spend some time with you, go over those stories, man. I bet you got some neat ones.
well, what I can tell, of course, I wish I could talk a little clearer.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, you're doing a good job. Doing a good job.
Well, if they come out, they had given me a 48% chance to live.
Yeah. Yeah. And you beat it, huh?
I guess so.
Yeah. Well, that's good. Well, I appreciate you showing me everything.
Well, thanks for stopping by.
Hey guys, thanks for watching another episode of Dad and Chad.
If you like this video, share it with your friends and give us a thumbs up,
And never miss an episode of Dad and Chad by hitting that subscribe button.
because we'll be back next Tuesday with another episode.
Thanks again for watching
Dad?
and Chad.